Okay, Will, I'm going to let you fly the drone by yourself this time. To start it off, that very bottom button on the right, mash it one time. Good job. Okay, go straight up. No, yes.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, not too far.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
You're doing good. Stay right there. You're doing very, very good.
So I take it down, it'll...
Okay, bring it down a little bit.
That's good.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, not too fast. A little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Now I want you to take it that way, Will, to the left, towards the road.
That way.
Yes, you're doing good. You're doing good. Now bring it back towards the house.
Towards
Yes, go the other way. You're doing good. Yes. Okay, yes, very good.
Dad, I have the feeling it's going to hit the power.
You're doing so good. What now?
I feel like it's going to cut the power now.
Oh yes, don't hit the power line. I forgot about that.
Can we take it down?
Yes, take it down just a little bit. Now I want you to scare the cat over there.
No, don't.
I was just testing you. I was just testing you, Will. Take it back towards the fish pond. Yes, very good. Very good. Will, you're almost as good as I am. Now I want to, let's go into the pond a little bit more. Okay, take it over there, yes. And watch out for tree limbs. Okay. Well, not too fast. You're doing good, Will.